Bronwyn is now the only buck left alive in the tractor. I guess we'll have to figure out a new plan for how to get a buck to replace him. Yes, I'm here to scratch you again. I'm here. Good morning. Well, that was super easy. I just had to get a few bits of hay out of there now, but their water is still clean and liquid and full. Minerals look good. I see all 3 new girls. They look alive and healthy. Acrobat is still looking alive, so that's good. Everyone's looking good. There you go. That cool piece of ice I got out of their water last night, it's still there in perfect form. That's so fun. I still need to think of names for these new girls. They're just named by their color currently. I'll make sure and pick some good ones. I just checked and all the nest boxes are still empty. You're heavy, Roxy. You're heavy. Oh, I can't pet you if you're holding my hand. It's cute though. That's cute. Yes, I love you. Here, let me pet you, okay? Let me pet you. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, okay. Hello again, Fang. Oh, you have a little bit of straw stuck to your little... There we go. Yes, you're so good. Both are liquid. That's good. Bronwyn is alive, doesn't look super skinny, has hay and some water. Those water's a bit dirty, so I'll clean that out. There you go, little guy. There's your fresh water. Hello, colony rabbits. You all look good. As I came in here, I noticed we now only have 2 new little does. The black tort, who is Ivy's daughter, passed away from sickness, so we're left with 2 new rabbits. Hopefully they keep surviving. Oh my gosh, these rabbits ate all their hay. There we go, that's much better now. I checked the nest boxes, still no babies. I also finished adding a little bit of straw to places that were getting a little bit of poop buildup. And now all the rabbit colony chores are done. I just finished getting hay for the goats. Then their water is a little bit dirty again. And I seem to be forgetting a lot recently that I have scraps for the rabbits, so I'll give those to them. Sorry, I forgot, guys. Then you goats need dewormer, then I'll be done with the last video in this little vlog series. Okay, crazy part. Penny, you got yours? Tessa, Keely, then Millie. Oh, poor baby. There you go. Almost done. Almost. Oh, there you go. I don't have any more. It's all gone. You can stop jumping on me and trying to eat me now. You can stop. So, as I mentioned, this is the last video of the little mini-series vlog thing about taking care of animals during this ice and snowstorm. While the snow hasn't fully melted, the storm part is over, and nothing really interesting or unique is happening because of the snow and ice anymore. So I think this is a good place to end it, and we'll go back to posting every Monday and Thursday. So this is Monday's video, so next Thursday make sure and look out for a new video about something different and hopefully more interesting. Don't know about you guys, but this is kind of getting boring for me to film just the same thing every day. The first few days it was interesting because there were different things happening because of the snow and ice and different struggles, but now nothing really interesting or new is going on. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!